Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to IOTA General TV. In this software engineering playlist of Python, we are going to look at what a decorator is in Python. So, what exactly is a decorator in Python? So, a decorator is a powerful Python feature that actually allows you to enhance or modify the behavior of functions without changing their natural code. Think of it as decorators, wrappers. Okay, thinking of decorators as wrappers that decorate your functions with additional functionality. So decorators actually leverage Python's first class functions concept, enabling you to pass functions as arguments, return them from other functions, and assign them to variables, and they are commonly used for cross-cutting concerns like login function calls, and also performance metrics, access control and authentication checks, timing function execution, caching return values, and input validation and type checking. So here's how to create a simple decorator. So creating a decorator actually involves three key steps: defining an outer function, the decorator that takes a function as an argument, define a nested wrapper function that adds the extra behavior, and then return the wrapper function from the decorator. So the wrapper function will be called instead of the original function, adding functionality before and or after calling the original. So if you use the at decorator name, okay, you use the at decorator name syntax about the function and its definition as a shorthand for applying the decorator actually. So that's a sample code here for you to try out what we are studying here. So try this out in your Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or whatever coding IDE you have, and let us know how it went. Okay.